Hi, this is Matt 511VB here again, and I'm here with my Naruto deck. This deck I made into Lightning Earth because it had some pretty good Earth cards, and I wanted to show how it was tested, so it didn't really work. So now I'm gonna be making this Lightning Fire back to where I was gonna make it. So that's why there's gonna be some Earth. So let's get started. 2 Charms. Oh yeah, anything that is not a foil in this deck, I want foil. I will be trading from the super rare and foil video. So yeah, 1 Gamma, Naruto Childhood, Sasuke Childhood, Hinata Hyuga, foil Shoji, Kiba, Sasuke Uchiha, Rock Lee, Iruka foil, 1 foil Chrono Ninja Squad, non-foil Chrono Ninja Squad. Okay, 2 Reliance Naruto's, Naruto Mastering, and yes, I know this deck is not made for the rogue listings, just for fun. 3 Naruto suits, Zetsu, 4th Hokage Younger Days, Danzo, Fukasaku, 4th Hokage, Special Ninjutsu, 4th Hokage Lightning Speed times 2, 1 of them foil, 2 Jiraiya, 1 of them foil, 2 Giant Ninja Toad, 2 Naruto vs Sasuke, 1 Efficient Training, 1 Group Lesson, 1 On Close Memory, Teachers and Pupils, 3 Rasengan, 2 Flip, and 1 Faithful Reunion Rasengan, 3 Nightingale Cloak, 2 Shield Block, 2 Toad Mouth Tracks, Explosion Rasengan, Storm by Rasengan, Wind Style Rasen Shuriken, and my only client in this deck is this one.